NASA has captured the sun coughing out another thrilling X-class solar flare. Our closest star has been restless recently, and NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory is here to document its whims, moods, and even its outbursts. On Friday, SDO captured views of the sun coughing out a strong X 2.2 solar flare. The X class flares are the most powerful kind. On Sunday, NASA tweeted a time-lapse video of the sun's busy week where it released 36 notable flares and 28 coronal mass ejections. The X 2.2 solar flare occurs at 44 seconds into the video. The latest flare eclipses a nifty X 1.2 that took place in January. Quote, "Solar flares are powerful bursts of energy," NASA said in a statement on Friday. Quote, "Flares and solar eruptions can impact radio communications, electric power grids, navigation signals, and pose risks to spacecraft and astronauts." Now, NASA categorizes solar flares into classes. A-class flares are weak, while X-class flares are the strongest. There's a lot of wiggle room within the X-class. Higher numbers are more intense, with scientists having measured a whopper of an X28 back in 2003. Compared with that, this month's X 2.2 might seem more like a hiccup, but it's still an impressive outburst.